The BL820T backhoe loader is a deeply improved version of CITIC Dog BL920 backhoe loader. This machine adopts more international components, including the Italian Carro exhaust, Carro transmission box, Weikai or Cummins diesel engine. Compared to the BL920, Carro exhaust adopts wet drive brakes, resulting in higher driving speed and more flexible operation. The DigDog BL820T has 4 forward gears and 4 reverse gears, and the travel speed is 38 km/h. With multi-purpose bucket and variable attachments, BL820T will be the backbone of the construction industry. BL820T backhoe loader is very suitable for road construction and maintenance, including earth-moving, digging trenches and holes for foundations, pipelines, drainage ditches, and other underground facilities, and can be used for tamping, crushing, milling, and many other purposes when equipped with attachments. For more details, please contact us.